So there are two aspects that I really wanted to hit on here for reviews as it pertains to AI systems. Guys have probably seen recently Google announced this Ask Maps feature, but this was an issue, an opportunity even before this came out. Basically, we want our clients or our businesses to show up recommended by AI systems. And Ask Maps is essentially Google's AI system inside Maps, recommending local businesses. This happened anyway in the AI overview, but certainly we're going more and more toward AI recommendations and less toward the map pack. Plus, of course, we have ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, et cetera, recommending local businesses. So, for AI systems, Google business profile reviews are not the most important. They're not the most important for Google's AI. They're not the most important for ChatGPT or any others. Okay. Obviously, if we're talking about the map pack, all we care about is Google business profile reviews. But we move beyond that. So do not ask just for GBP reviews, okay? What we're doing for our clients is we're getting them to request reviews across a diverse array of platforms. Still the GBP, but Yelp is a close number two. And in fact, if your main focus is optimizing for AI systems, Yelp should be your number one. Google's AI overview prefers Yelp reviews to Google reviews, as do others, okay? So in addition to Yelp, there's also Facebook reviews, there's Bing reviews, and then there's a variety of other local platforms, including just being active on Reddit, which we'll cover in a different lesson. So that's one of the two main aspects here is that you want to make sure you're diversifying your reviews. Beyond that, beyond diversifying your reviews, when Google added this Ask Maps and started to focus more and more on AI systems, we know that Google's AI is starting to work a lot like ChatGPT's. This isn't a surprise. So ChatGPT's AI will read all the reviews that it can. It often will miss GBP reviews, but it will read all the reviews that it can and look to specifically match what someone is asking for against what is in the reviews. For example, if someone goes to ChatGPT and says, hey, recommend a coffee shop with fast Wi-Fi, then ChatGPT will actually go and read reviews looking to see if any of the reviews mention fast Wi-Fi. Ask Maps will do the same thing with GBP reviews. So when you're asking for reviews or ask for reviews, you can't just ask for a 5-star review anymore. You want the person leaving the review to be specific. We used to just give the clients a text message that was just like, hey, would you mind leaving us a quick review? Now we're asking, hey, thanks for choosing us. Would you mind sharing what we fixed and how it went? We're trying to encourage the person leaving the review to be much more specific on what happened and what was fixed. So that's it. Review specificity and a diversification of review platforms, important for AI systems.